This is a course for meditation to understand the truth about life and existence, to get clarity about everything. The clarity is the key, probably the only key, to all kinds of mental challenges. This meditation course will help you grasp the very general technique of meditation, and based on which you can explore your own way of meditating. This course aims at the truth and clarity, guiding you through this journey of meditation, so you could independently explore the mind, understand the truth all by yourself. This course won't teach you how to meditate, but tell you what is meditation. And when you know what is meditation, you won't ask how to meditate. There's no method, no system, no tradition to follow. But there's only freedom. You are purely free to explore, to understand the mind totally. In each session of the course, we review the basic technique and meditate, quietening down the neurons. With a quiet mind, we could explore the mind in a constructive way, holistically, systematically, totally. We'll delve into the mind to observe all kinds of details of the mind, which can be called subconscious or unconscious or whatever. Via this course, you could explore the mind independently, to be able to understand the nature of the mind, the essence of this world, the essence of the life, and also the meaning of our daily life. If you are curious about Zen or Taoism, this course will 100% satisfy you. There's no any abstruse terms, no specialized terms, only simple languages to explain it. It's really up to everybody themselves to come upon this truth by observing the mind. And this course will guide you through this journey of observing the mind. That is meditation. The aim of this course is truth and clarity. The byproduct is, of course, peace, calm, and joy. When you really understand your life, when you are totally clear about your life, no confusion, peace, calm, and joy is a natural result of this clarity. If you are curious about the mind, if you want to embrace a very different way of life, which is peaceful and joyful, and this course is for you. No matter where you are, which culture you are in, we can meet online to explore this journey together. By understanding yourself, you become a light to yourself. And this light will also enlighten others around you.